Choosing the wrong SUV after 45 can become an expensive mistake. Not because of speed or performance, but because of everyday comfort, complicated technology, and unexpected repair costs that slowly turn driving into a frustrating experience. At this stage of life, priorities begin to change. You no longer care about impressing strangers at a traffic light or owning the fastest vehicle on the road. What really matters now is something much more valuable: comfort, safety, reliability, and peace of mind every time you drive. Because the right SUV should never make you worry. In this video, we're revealing 3 SUVs seniors can confidently buy in 2026. Vehicles that stand out for their comfort, dependability, smart safety technology, and effortless everyday driving. And interestingly, the number 1 SUV on this list may surprise you. Let's begin with number 3, the Subaru Forester. When choosing an SUV later in life, speed and flashy design quickly become less important. What truly matters is how practical and comfortable the vehicle feels during everyday use. This is exactly where the Subaru Forester quietly stands out. The Forester has built a long-standing reputation for being one of the most dependable and easy-to-drive SUVs on the market. It is designed for real-world drivers who want simplicity, reliability, and confidence behind the wheel. One of the first things many drivers appreciate about the Forester is how effortless it is to get in and out of the vehicle. Its seating position sits in what many owners describe as the perfect middle height. You're not climbing up like you would in a large truck, and you're not dropping down like you would in a low sedan. Instead, the Forester allows you to step in and out naturally and comfortably. The doors open wide, and the upright seating position provides excellent support. For drivers who experience knee stiffness, hip discomfort, or back pain, this thoughtful design makes everyday driving far easier. Another major strength of the Forester is its exceptional visibility. Subaru designed the vehicle with large windows and slim roof pillars, creating a wide and open view of the road. From the driver's seat, the surroundings feel clear and easy to see in every direction. This significantly reduces blind spots and helps drivers feel more confident when navigating busy intersections, tight parking lots, or heavy traffic. Under the hood, the 2026 Forester is powered by a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine, producing around 180 horsepower. While it may not be built for aggressive acceleration, this engine delivers something far more valuable: smooth and predictable performance. Power is delivered steadily and calmly, without sudden surges or complicated driving behavior. The result is a relaxed driving experience that feels controlled and comfortable. Another advantage that makes the Forester particularly appealing is Subaru's standard symmetrical all-wheel drive system. Unlike many SUVs that offer all-wheel drive only as an optional upgrade, every Forester includes it as standard. This intelligent system constantly monitors road conditions and automatically distributes power between the wheels to maintain traction and stability. Whether driving in rain, snow, or on uneven roads, the system quietly works in the background to keep the vehicle stable, without requiring any extra input from the driver. Safety is another area where the Forester performs exceptionally well. Subaru equips the vehicle with its EyeSight driver assistance system, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, pre-collision braking, and blind spot monitoring. These advanced safety technologies act like an additional layer of awareness on the road, helping reduce driver fatigue and offering extra protection during both short drives and long journeys. For many seniors, this added level of support provides valuable peace of mind. Inside the cabin, the Forester continues its philosophy of keeping things simple and practical. Many modern vehicles rely heavily on complex touchscreen systems that can be distracting and difficult to use while driving. The Forester takes a smarter approach by keeping physical buttons for many important functions, making everyday controls easier and more intuitive. The seats are supportive and comfortable, making longer drives more enjoyable. Higher trims also offer heated seats and power adjustments, providing additional comfort during colder weather or extended trips. Fuel efficiency is another strong benefit. The Forester delivers approximately 26 miles per gallon in the city and up to 33 miles per gallon on the highway, helping drivers keep fuel costs under control while still enjoying the versatility of an SUV. The 2026 Subaru Forester does not try to impress with flashy styling or unnecessary complexity. Instead, it focuses on what truly matters most: comfort, reliability, safety, and everyday practicality. For seniors searching for an SUV that feels easy to drive, dependable, and built for real-world life, the Forester continues to stand out as one of the smartest and most confidence-inspiring choices on the road. Now let's move to number 2, the 2026 Toyota RAV4. Few SUVs have built a reputation as strong and consistent as the Toyota RAV4. For decades, it has been known for one thing above all else: dependability. It's the kind of vehicle that owners buy, drive for years, and rarely worry about. And for seniors looking to purchase an SUV in 2026, that kind of reliability matters more than ever. The RAV4 offers a carefully balanced combination of comfort, safety, fuel efficiency, and long-term durability, all wrapped in a vehicle that feels easy to understand and effortless to drive. One of the first things older drivers appreciate about the RAV4 is its excellent usability. The seating position sits at an ideal height, allowing drivers to step in and out naturally. You're not climbing into a tall truck, and you're not lowering yourself into a low sedan. This balanced height makes everyday entry and exit far more comfortable. The wide opening doors and supportive seating position also help reduce strain on the back, hips, and knees, something that can make a real difference during daily driving. Under the hood, the 2026 RAV4 comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 203 horsepower. This engine provides more than enough power for everyday driving. Highway merging and passing feel confident and effortless, yet the power delivery remains smooth and controlled. It never feels aggressive or unpredictable, just steady, reliable performance that suits daily driving perfectly. For drivers who value fuel efficiency even more, the RAV4 Hybrid offers an outstanding alternative. The hybrid system delivers exceptional fuel economy while maintaining smooth acceleration and quiet operation. It's efficient, refined, and particularly appealing for drivers who want to spend less time at the gas station. But one of the biggest reasons seniors continue to trust the RAV4 is Toyota's legendary reliability. These vehicles are known for their ability to last an incredibly long time. With proper maintenance, many RAV4 engines comfortably exceed 250,000 miles. Routine oil changes, fluid checks, and standard maintenance are usually all that's needed to keep the vehicle running smoothly for years. For retirees or anyone who wants to avoid unexpected repair bills, that level of durability provides genuine peace of mind. Safety is another area where the RAV4 performs exceptionally well. Every model comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, a comprehensive package of advanced driver assistance technologies. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assistance, pre-collision braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Together, these systems act like an extra set of eyes on the road, helping drivers stay aware of their surroundings and reducing fatigue during longer trips or heavy traffic. Inside the cabin, the RAV4 continues its focus on simplicity and practicality. The dashboard layout is clean and easy to understand. Controls are clearly labeled, and the infotainment system responds quickly without feeling overly complicated. Everything is designed to be intuitive, allowing drivers to focus on the road rather than struggling with confusing technology. Higher trim levels add power-adjustable seats with lumbar support, which can make a significant difference in comfort during longer journeys. The overall ride quality is also very well balanced. The suspension absorbs bumps and rough pavement smoothly, making everyday driving feel relaxed rather than tiring. At the same time, the RAV4 feels stable on the highway and easy to maneuver in parking lots. Two qualities that are especially valuable for older drivers. Fuel efficiency is another major advantage. The standard gasoline model delivers around 27 miles per gallon in the city and up to 35 miles per gallon on the highway. The hybrid version goes even further on a single tank, making it one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Over time, that improved efficiency can make a noticeable difference in overall ownership costs. In short, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 is one of the most well-rounded SUVs available today. It combines comfort, proven reliability, advanced safety features, and strong fuel efficiency into a vehicle that feels practical and trustworthy. For seniors looking for an SUV that will start every morning and perform reliably year after year, the RAV4 remains one of the smartest and safest choices on the road. And finally, number 1, the 2026 Honda CR-V. If there is one SUV that seniors can purchase with complete confidence in 2026, it is the Honda CR-V. Over the years, the CR-V has quietly built a reputation as one of the most dependable and well-balanced compact SUVs in America. It delivers exactly what many drivers want most: smooth driving, outstanding reliability, strong safety technology, and everyday comfort. All packaged in a vehicle that feels simple and stress-free to own. And that combination is exactly why the CR-V earns the top spot on this list. First, let's focus on accessibility and comfort, the features that truly matter when choosing an SUV after 45. The 2026 Honda CR-V offers one of the best seat heights in its class. You don't have to crouch like a sedan, nor do you have to climb like a full-size SUV. The upright seats, wide doors, and excellent visibility make every entry and exit effortless. For seniors with stiffness in the knees, hips, or back, this is more than convenience. It transforms daily driving into a comfortable, stress-free experience. Under the hood, the CR-V gives you two outstanding choices: a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine producing 190 horsepower, or a hybrid system that blends power and efficiency seamlessly. Neither is about raw speed. Instead, both provide smooth, steady acceleration that makes every drive serene, predictable, and confident. Ride quality is where the CR-V truly shines. Honda's suspension absorbs bumps and uneven roads without feeling soft or unstable. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, the CR-V feels composed, calm, and incredibly comfortable. Exactly what seniors want in a daily driver. Safety is another reason the CR-V ranks so highly. The Honda Sensing Suite, standard on every model, includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, road departure mitigation, and blind spot monitoring. These systems offer peace of mind in unpredictable traffic and help reduce fatigue on longer trips. Inside, the CR-V keeps things simple and intuitive. Physical knobs for climate control avoid the frustration of fully digital systems. Higher trims include power-adjustable seats with lumbar support and heated seating, and the infotainment screen is clear, responsive, and easy to navigate. Dependability has always been Honda's hallmark, and the CR-V is no exception. With routine maintenance, many models surpass 250,000 miles without major issues. Parts are widely available, and servicing remains affordable. Basic upkeep like oil changes, brake checks, and inspections keeps the vehicle running smoothly for years. Fuel efficiency adds another layer of appeal. The hybrid version outperforms the gas model, which still achieves 28 mpg city, 34 mpg highway, helping retirees or anyone on a fixed income save on fuel over time. The 2026 Honda CR-V meets every critical requirement for a senior-friendly SUV: comfort, safety, reliability, usability, and long-term value. It doesn't rely on flashy design or complicated technology. It simply works every single day, mile after mile. For seniors looking for a practical, worry-free SUV, the CR-V is one of the smartest and most confidence-inspiring options on the market. Don't risk a trendy or overly complicated vehicle. Choose one that prioritizes peace of mind, comfort, and safety for the years ahead. Which SUV would you trust for the next decade? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, the right SUV isn't about trends. It's about driving with confidence and zero hesitation. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert guidance.